Namaste, Amisha Krishnabhutya. I, Javian Preeti Singh, Faculty of Pharmaceutical Science, Jyoti Vidyapeeth, Women's University. Today, I will discuss about the topic. Today, I will discuss about the topic transdermal drug delivery system. So, the transdermal patches are simple to use and into a bloodstream. So, the through the skin, intact skin, deliver the drug straight. So, this is the definition of the transdermal patch. Transdermal patch topic belongs to the novel drug delivery system for the B Form 7th semester. So the main component of the transdermal drug delivery system. The main component of transdermal patch are liner, drug, adhesive, membrane, and vacuum. So the liner is a protect the patch during storage. The liner is removed prior to use. So the drug solution is in direct contact with the release liner. Adhesive serves to adhere the components of the patch together along with the adhering the patch to the skin. So the membrane controls the release of the drug from the reservoir and multi-layer patches. Backing is a protects the patch from the outer environment. So there are five main types of transdermal patch. So the single layer, drug in adhesive, and multi-layer, a drug in adhesive and reservoir, matrix, and vapor patch. So the single layer drug in adhesive, the adhesive layer of this system also contains the drug. In this type of patch, the adhesive layer not only serves to adhere the various layers together along with the entire system to the skin, but is also responsible for the releasing of the drug. The adhesive layer is surrounded by a temporary liner and a backing. So the multi-layer drug in adhesive. The multi-layer drug in adhesive patch is similar to the single layer system in that both adhesive layers are also responsible for the releasing of the drug. Once the layer is for immediate release of the drug and other layer is for controlled release of the drug from the reservoir. The multi-layer system is different, however, that it adds another layer of drug in adhesive, usually separated by a membrane, but not in all cases. This patches also has a temporary liner layer and a permanent backing. So the reservoir. What is the reservoir? What is the main role of reservoir in transdermal patch? Unlike the single layer and multi-layer drug in adhesive system, the reservoir transdermal system has a separate drug layer. The drug layer is a liquid compartment containing a drug solution or suspension separated by the adhesive layer. This patch is also backed by the backing layer, and in this type of system, the rate of release is zero. So the matrix system has a drug layer of a semi-solid matrix containing a drug solution or suspension. The adhesive layer in this patch surrounds the drug layer, partially overlaying it, also known as monolithic devices. So the vapor patch, in this type of patch, the adhesive layer not only serves to adhere the various layers together, but also to release vapor. The vapor patches are new on the market and they release essential oil for up to 6 hours. The vapor patches release essential oil and are used in cases of decongestion mainly. Other vapor patches on the market are controller vapor patches that improve the quality of sleep, vapor patches that reduce the quantity of cigarettes that one smoke in a month are also available on the market. So the manufacturing process, the preparation of homogeneity of the bulk drug containing or non-bulk drug containing adhesive mass, the coating process including those parameters to control layer thickness and drying, curing, and removal of residual solvent. So the lamination steps, the storage and handling of intermediate rolls, and roll conversion to patches, primary packing. So the popular uses, the highest selling transdermal patch in the USA is the nicotine patch and hormonal patches, estrogen patches, and contraceptive patch. So the testosterone patches for both men and women. So nitroglycerin patches is also used for the popular uses. And transdermal scopolamine and the antihypertensive drug is clonidine. And vitamin B12 may also administered through a transdermal patch. So now we come to the what is the advantage of transdermal drug delivery system. So do not put too much load on digestive system and liver. Avoid the pain on injection. Eliminate the adverse effects associated with excessive absorption of drug taken orally. So thereby elevated anxiety offer more comfort to patients, produce excellence prolonged effect, and administration can be visually confirmed. So the disadvantage is the transdermal drug delivery system may cause side effects, light headache and dizziness and redness or irritation of the skin covered by the patch and flushing. So some other side effects can be serious, slow or fast heartbeat, and worsening chest pain and fainting, rash, itching, and difficulty in breathing or swallowing. So the symptoms of overdose may include headache, confusion, fever, dizziness, and slow or pounding heartbeat, and nausea, vomiting, and fainting, shortness of breath, and sweating, flushing, and cold and clammy skin. So this is the complete session of the transdermal patch. This session is powered by the digital version 2.0 Jyoti Vidyapeeth Women's University. And hope you are satisfied with my digital session. If you have any query, please mention in comment box. I will resolve it your problem by the problem resolving class. Thank you, and thank you for the listening.